Welcome to Uptick's Contractor Workspace. The Uptick Contractor Workspace gives you the tools to keep customers up to date without spending time typing and doing paperwork. Once you have logged in, you'll be able to see a simple dashboard. You'll know right away if you have any new work orders or quotes. It will also tell you if any of your open jobs are ready to be invoiced, so you'll always know when you're ready to get paid. You can see all of the details of your work either by clicking the cards on the dashboard or by using the side navigation. For this demo, I am selecting work orders. If you're on a laptop or desktop computer, the first thing you'll see is a collaboration board. Both you and your customer can provide updates, so it's a great way to see which stages each job is in. Mobile users will only see a special, compact list view. This is designed for the technicians in the field so they can quickly update their tasks on their phones. It does not require any special apps, just a smartphone and an internet connection. You can see all the details of the job by clicking on the clipboard icon on the card. This includes information such as the scope of works, the requested due date, and the platform fee that will apply. There are some quick actions available, such as adding documents or single-click updates. You can also update a job simply by dragging it to the new column. Sometimes you may be prompted to provide additional information, such as a scheduled date. Use the toggle on the top right-hand corner to switch to the list view. This gives you all the same information, but in a useful view. You can filter the list using the search box or by clicking the status you wish to show and hide. When you are ready to get paid, you can click on the $sign on any of the views or drag the job to the invoiced column on the board view. This will take you to our invoicing tool. You'll start by entering the invoice cost at the top. This should be the total amount for the job, including any call-out fees, materials and parts, admin costs, and GST. Once you have entered a total, you'll see a few things happen. Firstly, it will calculate the platform fee that is included in your invoice. The amount you receive into your bank account is the total cost minus the platform fee. Secondly, Uptick will generate a recipient-created tax invoice, or RCTI. This is a legally accepted invoice that can be used as a record of your transaction. If you prefer to use your own invoice, simply upload it to the area provided and it will replace the RCTI. The quote pages offer a similar board and list view, but instead you'll be prompted to enter a quote. We do recommend that you also include an itemized quote as an attachment, as it helps increase your chance of success. Business administrators and office staff will love the Reports tab. It gives you all the data on past and present work. You can filter, search, and view a specific record. You can also download your records to CSV or Excel files for those needing advanced reporting. A handy tip: if you are looking at long rows of data, you can hide the side navigation with the arrow at the top. Finally, the Uptick Contractor Workspace also includes a chat feature. You can message your customer directly to give updates or ask for additional information. Uptick organises these chats by work order, so you'll always have the conversation handy when you need it. We will also be adding chats for quotes in late 2019. Thank you for helping us provide superior service to the buildings that we manage and the people who live in those buildings. If you have any questions, please contact your Uptick customer.